And, you know, always make sure you do, but make sure it says record. I'll always be paranoid about that. Down. I know you got it. Yes, you do. Down. I'll do some recalls first. Come. Snickety snort. Come. You're in the kitten. Come. Come. He says, you jumped on me. Come. Come. And that puppy may hear the click too, and they go nuts about that. Sit. Wag, wag, wag. Wag, wag, wag. Down. Down. Wag. 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 Down. Down. This is Bishop. I forgot to say that when we first started. Down. Okay, just leave it running and, you know, leave it filming and just go take a knight, no, king, and put him out. But just leave it recording. I won't move. Down. It's probably him hearing the clicker. Down. 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 Wag. 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 I need to do better on that. Down. Down. Quiet. Down. And go ahead and throw Axel out.
Okay.
You don't have to carry him, you can just open it. I think, say, Axel, come, want to go outside. Just run to the door and say, want to go outside?
Axel.
Poopy. Come. He's getting used to that. Down. Down. Now he was offering me downs yesterday, so just see about it. I'll have to wait maybe. Wait him out. He's medium high drive. Yeah, that was a little bit towards a down anyway. I keep thinking he's going to lay down and he's only swatting at the puppies. I'll go ahead and learn a little bit more. Down. 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 He's not a bit distracted by the kittens, if you'll notice. Down. But yet he'll play with them when we're not clicker training. Okay, maybe a little bit distracted, but not much. Come. Kittens are just getting used to taking treats. Come. Down. Wave. Oh, with one foot. Yeah, that's a good thing. Sit. Oops. Good boy. You're silly. You're silly. Stand. Sit. Good. Wave. And I'm going to get the target stick. So.